Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism and uncovering daily practices that can help you achieve success and inner peace. Whether you're facing challenges at work, in your personal life, or just looking to improve yourself, Stoicism has timeless advice that can guide you every step of the way. Stick around till the end for a special challenge to kickstart your Stoic journey. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of calm, purpose, and unshakable confidence. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's entirely possible, and Stoicism can help you get there. Let's explore how you can incorporate Stoic practices into your daily routine to transform your life. Let's start with the morning. The first hour of your day sets the tone for the rest of it. The Stoics believed in beginning the day with a clear mind and a focused heart. Begin with a few minutes of meditation. Focus on your breath, clear your mind, and prepare yourself for the day ahead. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, often meditated to reflect on his duties and responsibilities. He believed that understanding your purpose each day helps you stay on track. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius. Let this quote inspire you to start each day with gratitude and purpose. Next, set your intentions. Write down what you want to accomplish today and how you want to conduct yourself. This isn't just a to-do list, it's about who you want to be. Seneca, another great Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of self-reflection and intentionality. By setting clear intentions, you align your actions with your values and stay committed to your goals. Throughout your day, remember the Stoic principle of controlling the controllables. You can't change external events, but you can control how you respond to them. Epictetus taught that our power lies in our response to situations, not the situations themselves. By focusing on your reactions, you maintain your inner peace and make better decisions. Take a midday break to check in with yourself. Reflect on your morning, adjust your intentions if needed, and realign with your goals. This practice, known as midday reflection, helps you stay aware of your progress and keeps you focused on what truly matters. It's a powerful way to reset and re-energize for the rest of the day. Life is full of obstacles, but the Stoics saw these as opportunities for growth. When faced with a challenge, remember the Stoic mindset. The obstacle is the way. Marcus Aurelius believed that obstacles are essential for our development. They force us to grow, adapt, and become stronger. So the next time you face a hurdle, see it as a stepping stone to your success. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. As the day comes to a close, take time for evening reflection. Review your actions, celebrate your victories, and learn from your mistakes. Seneca recommended nightly reflection as a way to improve oneself continually. By examining your day, you can identify areas for growth and prepare yourself for a better tomorrow. End your day with gratitude, acknowledge the good things in your life, and let go of any lingering negativity. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. It fosters a positive mindset and helps you sleep peacefully, knowing you've made the most of your day. By incorporating these Stoic practices into your daily routine, you can build resilience, maintain inner peace, and achieve greater success in all areas of your life. Remember, Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or ignoring life's challenges. It's about cultivating a mindset that empowers you to face whatever comes your way with grace and strength. Now here's a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, try to incorporate at least one Stoic practice into your daily routine. Journal your experiences and see how these small changes can make a big difference. Share your journey with us in the comments below. We can't wait to hear how Stoicism is transforming your life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep growing.